So now I think I'll get started on the hinges for the doors and start working out the sort of spacing for all that. I'm just getting ready to do door number 2, so that's the one on the side with the divider, and a keen eye might have noticed that one side of the cabinet is got inset or full inset door, and then the other side has a half overlay. So just in case you were wondering, I'm using the Blum Motion clip top soft close hinges, and I've just been doing a little jig to work out the tab spacing to give me the correct overlap over my internal divider. So I'm sort of sitting somewhere in the halfway mark with a 2mm gap between that and when the pull-out door closes. So they've got a nice sort of reveal all the way around. So that's the first little look at the 3 faces put on there. This one's obviously just set in place for me to sort of check the spacing and whatnot. I'll take that off now and then get started on the internal drawer box components for the pull-out.